Welcome to our quick comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker and the Aeitto countertop ice maker. Both machines promise to deliver fresh ice on demand, but they cater to different needs and budgets. In this video, we will delve into their features, comparing aspects such as price, ice production speed, and versatility. Whether you're looking for a compact solution for your home or a versatile machine for entertaining, we have you covered. When it comes to price, the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker is a budget-friendly option at just $87, making it an attractive choice for those looking for a reliable ice maker without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Aeitto countertop ice maker is priced at $199, which reflects its additional features and capabilities. While the Igloo offers great value, the Aeitto justifies its higher price with speed and versatility. In terms of ice production speed, the Aeitto takes the lead, producing 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, which is ideal for those who need ice quickly. The Igloo, while still efficient, takes 7 to 8 minutes to produce 8 cubes. For users who entertain frequently or require a steady supply of ice, the Aeitto's faster production time may be a significant advantage. Another key difference lies in the ice size options. The Igloo produces a single size of cylinder-shaped ice cubes, which may limit its versatility for different types of beverages. In contrast, the Aeitto offers 2 sizes of bullet ice, catering to various drink preferences, whether for cocktails or smoothies. This feature enhances its appeal for users who enjoy a variety of drinks. In conclusion, both the Igloo and Aeitto countertop ice makers have their strengths. The Igloo is perfect for budget-conscious consumers seeking a compact solution, while the Aeitto offers speed and versatility for those willing to invest more. Consider your ice-making needs and choose the one that fits your lifestyle best. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.